What's up guys, and it's time for the most requested speed test comparison that's in between the Pocofone F1 versus the Samsung Galaxy A70. So both of these are beautiful smartphones, and this one is having Snapdragon 845 SoC, which is the flagship level SoC right now, and this one is having Snapdragon 675. The Pocofone F1 cost almost $300, and that's around 18 to 19,000 Indian rupees, while the Samsung Galaxy A70 cost almost around $400, that's 29,000 Indian rupees. So let's see which one wins this race. Okay, so starting things with booting up both of these phones in 3, 2 and 1. Here we go. The Samsung Galaxy A70 versus the Poco F1, and both of these are having 6 gigs of RAM. There's Android 9.0 Pie in both of these phones. This one has Samsung's One UI, and this one has Xiaomi's MIUI 10. Let's see which one wins this race. Okay, Samsung first there, while Poco is still booting up. It's taking some time. Okay, so it's done. Alright guys, so both of these phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and there is no application running in the background. There are only applications that will be used for testing. Starting things with the system application dialer in 3, 2 and 1. Okay, so both were equally same guys, no difference at all. Let's open the messenger. Here we go. Okay, so both were equally same. It's time for cameras. Alright, so again same. I think Samsung was first there because there was some delay in the Poco F1. Now let's open settings from the settings application. Here we go. Both were same guys, no difference at all. And just look at the screen difference. You can see LCD versus Super AMOLED. Now let's open a few third-party applications and games, starting things with the Instagram. Here we go. Alright, so Poco first there. While in terms of loading up the latest feed, both were equally same guys, no difference at all. Now let's open my profile. Here we go. Alright, so both were same, no difference at all. And just don't forget to follow us on Instagram if you already haven't. Discord. Here we go. Alright, so I think both were equally same. You guys are the one to decide. Let me know in the below comment section if I'm wrong. Time for Snapchat. Here we go. Poco first there. Now let's open a few internet based applications, starting things with the Reddit. Here we go. Alright, so Poco first there guys. Again, that was fast in Poco F1. Well, Samsung is also great. Let's open Quora in 3, 2, 1. Samsung wins here. Now let's open the Play Store. Alright, so Poco F1 wins. Okay, so games, and starting things with the Subway Surfers. Here we go. App opening animation, same in both of these phones. Samsung wins here. That was a really minute difference, but Samsung wins clearly. Now let's open the Asphalt 8 in 3, 2, 1. App opening animation, first there in the Poco F1. While both are equally same right now, let's see which one wins here. And alright, Samsung Galaxy A70, your winner in terms of opening this game. Now it's time for PUBG. Here we go. And Samsung is really doing great guys. I mean 675 up against the Snapdragon 845. Let's see which one wins here. And I think Poco is a bit ahead. Let's see. Alright, Poco clearly winner guys. While Samsung was not that far at all. That was a very minute difference, and Yeah, that's all. Now let's do the RAM management test. Really excited for this one because both of these are having 6 gigs of RAM. That's the base variant. Dialer there in both of these phones. Messenger, alright. Settings, Instagram, Reddit, Service Surfers, Quora, Play Store, Asphalt, and at last PUBG. Alright guys, so this is the performance you are getting the Snapdragon 675 against the Snapdragon 845. And you guys have the clear winner. The Samsung Galaxy A70 clearly wins. I mean in terms of the booting up and in terms of opening a few applications faster than the Poco F1. Well, Poco F1 is also a great phone. I mean in terms of the pricing, you are getting such performance and such SoC. Wow. In terms of RAM management, both were equally same. Thanks for watching this video. I have a video coming really soon. Poco F1 versus the Xiaomi K20/K20 Pro. So stay subscribed. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and peace out.